Welcome back, crispy work family. It's not as cold as the day it was the last time, so we can get some more work in. So some of you might be wondering, well, Chris, why are you so sexy? Honestly, can't answer that one. It's just am. But as far as the car is concerned, today we'll be putting in the handles, hinges for the bonnet, and perhaps the boot, and engine mountings, because we do have some on the sides, but we don't have on the front and the back to help the engine from stop swaying. So join us for that.
Yes sir, Joburg's best B-roll shooter, back at it. Got Shell here behind me busy with the door handles now. So we are gonna stick with the full black door handles. We were stuck between the chrome and the full black, but yeah, we're just gonna stick with the full black because we think it's better. But yeah.
Why is yours... what's going on here?
Yeah, no, my rum is cracked, guys. Look here. I don't know if that's me or my wife with the big pothole.
So who was it?
I hear, well, from experience, Shell drives Volt. But then from the word out there, Tracy drives Volt. I hear she drives Wild as well, so I don't know. What prevents water from getting in here into the
rubber? Where's that rubber seal?
Yeah, there's no seal here, bro.
Take it off.
Yeah. I was about to say, like, this looks a bit dodgy.
Yeah, just guys, don't forget the rubber seal like Christopher.
Oh, look, he hands me the handle and so we ran into a bit of a hiccup. So while we were installing the handle, we were just like struggling to get the door from unlocking on the inside. So we was going to just take this off just to fiddle around with the door locking mechanism. But while we were taking it off, we see that the guy who actually painted our car did such a horrible job. He didn't even take the time to actually pull off the mechanism, and he basically just sprayed over it. Now you can see it's flaking already. So I mean, as you saw in the previous video, when we first had the car painted, we weren't happy, but I mean,
so yeah guys, so we're still gonna go ahead and put the door handles on. I'll show you guys now. But yeah, like Chris said, Shell's just gonna replace the actual door lock mechanism, whatever you wanna call that thing. Yeah, he's just gonna buy brand new ones, and yeah. So yeah, check it out. Just put the door handles on now. Then nice and snug. So yeah.
Nice watertight seal. Might just fiddle around with the seal a bit more to get it even better. But for now, we'll just leave it as is. We're still going to cover the car so no water will get in there. So when we put the mechanism in, we'll make sure that the seal is perfectly around, because I think it's a bit loose here. Yeah, we're just going to put the hinge on the bonnet here. So you see, obviously, so we can get a nice latching here. With some nice chrome bolts here and a whole brand new. The other one was actually completely bent inwards, so yeah, we needed to get a new one, so we're putting that on now. Shell seems to think it goes this way, so I believe him.
Okay, so even though I told you guys we're gonna stay with the black door handles, we just put the chrome on anyway, just to show you guys what the difference would look like. But yeah, here it is. So this is the black, which we like, and then this is the chrome. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, this is the chrome. Yeah, there's a better angle. Black, chrome. So yeah, we're gonna stick with the black.
Okay guys, so we're putting in the new engine mounts. The reason why we're putting it in because of the age of the car, and also you can see here on the mounting, the rubber here is starting to tear like that. Can you see that? Can you see in the light? So yeah, that's the reason why we're replacing it. We don't want problems with the car where the engine is knocking, and if you're driving and the engine is doing this, stuff like that. So we just want the car to be in really good condition when we're done with it. So that's why we're replacing it right now. Hold it like that.
Wait.
Yeah, let go.
Okay, is it in?
For now.
Right guys, so we actually did the door handles across. We had a few hiccups. Obviously we have to remove the locking mechanisms and the paint issue. We got the hood done as far as the latch is concerned. We're going to put the mountings has been done as well, so all four are in. But yeah, a few setbacks, but we still on a roll here.
So yeah guys, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We are very close to 1k subs. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We'd appreciate that. Drop a like on this video, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.